feel more at home with Moulinex. Yes, it's a Moulinex for you. A French-made Moulinex Powerstar vacuum cleaner. This is supposedly new in the box, unused. Let's see if the eBay seller was telling porkies or were they being truthful. This was another impulse buy. Now every time I make an impulse buy of a vacuum, I think of Joey Tribbiani from Friends, who, when he got his first major acting job as Dr. Drake Ramore, he went on a bit of a spending spree and then he lost his job and had to have a lot of things taken away. And Ross was in his flat and he was sort of explaining why he'd bought things, and one of the items he bought, he said it was an impulse buy next to the register. Well, that's how I feel about this. Obviously it wasn't next to the register. I probably bought this while still in bed on eBay. So they put a lot of fragile tape on here, which is rather ruined the box. Let's try and get it open. So I don't know how old this is, not that old. You can still buy Moulinex vacuums, but not really in the UK, I don't think. Oh, wow. I mean, I've got a few Moulinex handheld machines. The model that I really sort of covet, that I never had growing up, but it was a popular model, I think, when it was in the shops, is the Moulinex Major, and it was, judging by Sam Watson's video, it was a pretty good machine with a metal base plate. They were sort of seen as budget, not very well made cleaners back in the day, but believe you me, compared to some of the machines you can buy now, they were quality. But this is a lot newer than a Moulinex Major. Oh, a new in the box Moulinex Major, that would be lovely. Right, folks. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favourite things. So, well, let's have a look. We've got... We've got a spare dust bag. We've also got something I like to see in any vacuum, new or used, is the instruction book. We've even got the guarantee card. Oh, it's showing a model with variable speed. Pretty sure that this is just a very bog standard basic single speed. I don't even know the wattage of this. Anyway, lots of different languages, starting in French. Put that to one side. And we have another nice thing to see. I don't know if it's 12 bags in there, it has been opened, but it says Moulinex Powerstar 12 original vacuum cleaner bags plus one electrostatic filter, one free and gratis, it says. So there's a filter in there too, so that's good. It looks a bit dusty. You know, I think this is quite cheap. The reason really I wanted this, if the machine's no good, I wanted this head. Now this head has definitely been used. Another, you know, looks pretty shiny, but on closer inspection, and yes, there's dust in it. So it's been used, folks. So the seller here is either a liar or didn't really know, thought it looked unused. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt, but now looking at this head, yes, it's been used. Anyway, I wanted this head because I think it's the same head that I'm missing on a Hoover cleaner I unboxed ages ago. It didn't have the original head. So if this Moulinex is no good, I could swap the head. It looks like it's a 32mm bog standard thing. And I expect the head for the Hoover cleaner I'm missing would have been made in France, as this head is. Yes, where's the... Oh, it has. Oh, it's got tubes, but unused. You know, that looks familiar. Where have I seen that? If you know, I don't know if I've seen one exactly like that. I'm sure I've unboxed something with that. Do you know, folks? Is it out of focus? That is not unused, is it? Not unused at all. In fact, I don't think they've even looked at this. They've just opened it, taken the picture, closed it back up. Yeah. There's dirt in this hose, but it's a reasonable hose. It looks about 1.8 litres. This hose looks. More used tubes. Should we rub them together and make a fire? Ooh. Hello, hello. Hello, Daisy. What are you doing over there? Hello, folks. Yee. Little things please little minds. Is that what they say? Ooh, isn't that awful? And again, it's used. Not very used, but it's not new. It's one of these. So, I've never seen one of those before. Now, is it missing the litter picker, or did it only have one? We may never know. So, shove the hose in this way, and it's upholstery. It's not, at least it's a reasonable shape for an upholstery nozzle. Yeah, it's more of a traditional shape. Oh, what's that do? It's a slider on that. I don't know what that's about. Because you just put it in that way for your dusting, but can't see what, I really can't see what that's for unless it locks it in somehow. I'll check the instruction book. There you go. Is that it? Here it is. Oh, cheap and cheerful. Yeah. Cheap and cheerful, but hardly unused. But it's not had. Yeah, there's even dust, there's even muck in the bag, you know? Look, folks, if you sell on eBay, make sure you describe what you're selling accurately. Otherwise, you might get someone like me saying nasty things about you on YouTube. Well, it will clean up. Now, despite the fact that this is obviously, it's 1200 watts, it's obviously budget all the way. It's a nice plastic. It isn't a nasty cheap. It's a sort of tough plastic. This. I like this. The way that they've just incorporated the auto cord rewind and the on-off switch into one big moulding. Autoflex. That doesn't engage when I press it. Ooh, dearie me. Maybe I'll be complaining. Can't even see. Oh yes, I was going to say there's no bag check indicator, but there is. Tiny one, just situated there on the end. Looks like a piston design. This almost looks like it would be a bagless machine the way this is set up, but it has got a bag in it. And we've seen the bags, haven't we? Swivel caster, one at the front. You've got parking bracket, storage bracket really. 2 wheels. Let's have a look at this. I don't suppose we can date it. Here we go. So I can't read that from here. It's upside down on my viewfinder and I can't quite. Let me see if I can though. So it's 230, 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and it's max 1200 watt, 1100 watt, something or other. Made in France, and here's all the gubbins here. Mod TPSS 1100OE, and there's lots of other numbers. So that's that. Let's have a look inside, shall we, folks? Or shall we look on the back? Yeah, it needs a good wipe over. It's unusual. Ooh, look at that. I think that could be the suction relief valve. Not sure. It's got a big spring in it, look. There's a filter. I think, yes, it's an exhaust filter. You know, there's dust in it. It's not unused. How does that come out? Oh, there we are. Ah, it just hinges to reveal a clearly used vacuum cleaner and dust in there. I had my suspicions, to be frank. May I be frank with you folks? I had my suspicions that the seller was telling a few porkies here. And really, I should complain to eBay. This wasn't new and in the box. It's clearly been used. And if they want the evidence, I can show them this video. Because, well, I suppose it's not really evidence, because I could have taken it out of the box and not filmed it and used it for a couple of weeks and then pretended I've just unboxed it. But no, I'm not like that. Normally I put up with things like this and don't complain. Ah, well, it's an unusual little thing, I must say. Now then, folks, do you think a factory fresh vacuum would have that on the pre-motor filter? I think not. No, it wouldn't. They'll, you know, if I complain, they'll say, "Oh, I didn't know." There's no excuse. If you're selling on eBay, you check the item over, you take the photographs so they're clear, you point out any faults, and then you're not going to get anyone complaining, are you? It's got a offset. There's the motor. The motor's in there, folks. I'm just trying to see if I can see anyway. Oh, it's an Amtech motor. Amtech Italia. So it's an Italian-made motor in a French assembled vacuum. So, true European vacuum. I just think isn't that different, really, the way that opens up? It's a little bit quirky. The French are quite quirky in their design. I'm thinking of Citroën cars. Now, here is the unused vacuum. Here's the unused vacuum with, well, it must have been a dirty factory, mustn't it, to fill a bag almost? I don't know. Well, that's the other bit. Yeah, there you go, folks. And I'm dubious whether this is going to switch on, because when I switched the on-off switch, I couldn't feel a switch engaging, you know? Little carry handle at the back here, very light. I wonder how noisy it's going to be. Parking bracket on the back. It's a shame it's not like, I do like the, no, that's not going on. That doesn't even fit on there. Perhaps that's not the original gooseberry. Oh, it fits, folks. Let's see if it pictures. Yeah, well, it looks the same in the instruction. Yeah, I like, you know, to be honest, I'm more of an upright person. I prefer uprights on the whole, but I seem to have more. Oh, it doesn't swivel. You'd think it would, but it doesn't. The hose at least swivels. Yeah, I prefer uprights on the whole. If I go for a cylinder, I prefer something a bit more upmarket, a bit more deluxe. I like the lights, I like the electronic speed, I like remote control cylinders. And my favourite type of cylinder is remote control and power head. But I do like compact cylinders for your above floor cleaning. They tend to be easier to handle than the ones with the power hose. Right, it might switch on, folks. Switch it off of the wall socket. Right, here we go. I always have my heart in my mouth at points like this. Right, let's turn it that way in case it's going to shoot flames out of the back of it. It works, it's not too noisy, and that Italian-made Amtech motor sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, I think it does. If you can tell on the dewberry, let's give the old very unscientific suction test. Pretty good suction. Of course, 1200 watts. No, 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 says the EU. This would not be allowed nowadays. Far too high. 900 watts would be the maximum this would be produced in. I like it though. Despite the fact it's hardly new in the box. I can't remember how much it cost. It wasn't a lot of money. In fact, it probably cost more in shipping than it cost to buy. As I said, it was an impulse buy. Moulinex. I like the name Moulinex. And I think they're pretty good cleaners. Budget. But certainly, if that was available today as a budget cleaner, I'd be quite happy with that. Alright, nothing wrong with the flex rewind either. Stands on its end for stair cleaning, and of course you can store it, but I couldn't get the doobry to fit in, could I? I still can't. Hang on, turn it that way. Ah, yes. If I turn it that way, I can at least get that in the old storage position, but it might have to be that way too for that. Yeah, not so successful, but it does actually go in to park it. So there we go, that's it. The Moulinex Powerstar 1200 watt vacuum cleaner. New in the box, you liar. Oh, I haven't actually done this, have I? Heck. Did I put the bag back in? Did you see me put the bag back in? Did I? Oh, I did. It's in there. Actually, it would probably be better. Shall we... Well, it was good enough suction with the dirt in. I'll just leave it for now. I might reuse that dirt. I like to recycle. Just see if that is a suction relief, actually. I'm not sure. I've never seen one on exhaust. Let's see what happens when I block the end off. Oh, I knew it was dodgy. Don't really seem to do anything. I thought, I don't know what that's about. What's that about, folks? You'll never know. Well, I'll probably find out. You might never find out though. I don't think that stores anywhere. Oh, let's get up. Couldn't really get matching socks for this, but they've got yellow in at least. A bit of yellow, eh? There we go, let's give it a push. Well, that's probably the only carpet you'll be cleaning for quite some time, you little scamp. But anyway, it's a video from a channel, it's another vacuum, it's quite nice, but it's not going to be a favourite. There we are. You'll feel more at home with Moulinex. Moulinex make things simple, Moulinex make things nice, Moulinex make things simple, and that includes the price. Thanks for watching, see you all very soon, bye for now.